Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve bug on Instagram. To know how to fix or how to solve bug on Instagram app, you should just go to settings as you see and you can click. Here you can enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window or to the app of Instagram and you can click in this page. Here in this list of app info you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.